Hello everyone and welcome. A few weeks ago I did a review of some really inexpensive stationary or fixed location indoor security cameras. At that time I mentioned that those cameras were stationary or fixed and that you would need to find a different camera if you wanted a PTZ or pan tilt zoom camera. Well, I didn't want to leave my viewers hanging like that without any options, so this week I bring you an alternative to those stationary cameras. Today we'll be looking at the Wansview PTZ or pan tilt zoom indoor security camera. This is a very compact and inexpensive indoor security camera that can pan, tilt, and zoom to see an entire room from just one location. Now, I've reviewed cameras from Wansview before, and I found them to be good cameras and very affordable. So let's test this guy out and see how it performs. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce another product review video or a DIY video. Alright, here's a shot of the box for you. Let's open this guy up and see what we got. Alright guys, so when you open this puppy up, this is everything you get. Now this is the Wansview Q7 Indoor PTZ Security Camera, available on Amazon, link in description below. At the time of making this video, this camera retails for $29.99. And if you're an Amazon Prime member, you can get it as low as $25. So what do you get when you unbox this guy? Well, you get the camera itself, you get the power cable, which is tied up right now, but I'll measure it in a moment. I'll tell you exactly how long this guy is. It looks pretty long already. You get the hardware to mount this guy if you want to ceiling mount it, because you can either tabletop mount it, wall mount it, or ceiling mount it. You get the power brick to power it up, the bracket to mount it on the ceiling, a sticker to be able to line it up and mount it more easily, and the owner's manual that tells you everything about how to use this guy, how to set it up and all that stuff. I'm going to go over some of the setups and so forth in a little while, so not to worry, but you should still read through it and have it as a backup. Now the dimensions on this guy are very compact. You're looking at 4 inches by 3 inches by 3 inches, and it only weighs 5 ounces, so very lightweight and compact. This guy comes with a 2K resolution and it has full color daytime vision and infrared night vision. This camera also has two-way audio so you can talk to whoever's on the other side of the camera. And this camera can pan 320 degrees and tilt 71 degrees. So from one fixed location you can see an entire room without any trouble. Like I said, this guy can be tabletop mounted or ceiling mounted with the included bracket, and you can use it however is convenient for you in a given location. The video storage for this guy can either be local or cloud storage. It has a little slot right there on the front where you put in an SD card, and you can put an SD card up to 128 gigabytes, so that's a lot of video storage you can have right there locally, or if you want to, you can store it on the cloud. It does come with 30 days free trial that you can use if you want to. Try it out first, see how it works, go from there, decide what's best for you. Now, the Wansview app allows you to share access with friends and family, so if you're away on vacation or something like that and you want somebody else to help you out, you can add them to your account and they can see everything from the camera without any trouble at all. This camera does have motion detection and a siren to scare away any intruders if you're using it as a security camera. This camera is also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can use it with voice command and tell it exactly what you want to do through Alexa or Google Assistant. And in the app, you can view up to 4 cameras, so if you have more than one camera, you can view them all on one screen, and then you just select the one that you want to see and make it full screen to make it easier to see. This camera does also have privacy mode. If you don't want to be disturbed, you select the privacy mode and it won't send you any notifications. Until you turn off the privacy mode, then you'll start getting notifications again. So this camera is great as a security camera, nanny cam, baby cam, pet cam, or elder cam. It can monitor anything you want day or night and can pan, tilt, and zoom to see all the surroundings in the given area. It has motion detection to let you know anything that is going on, and it has an audible siren to scare away intruders if you choose to set that up. So this camera is so small and compact that you can hide it just about anywhere, and since it can pan, tilt, and zoom, you can easily see everything that's going on in the entire room. So let's set this guy up and see how it performs. And if you want a tabletop mounted, that's what it looks like. Or how about ceiling mounted? There you go, that's what it looks like. Alright guys, let's talk about how easy it is to get this little camera set up and running in just a couple of minutes. It is extremely easy. These apps are getting better and better as time goes by, and they're making it easier and easier for anybody to be able to handle this without any kind of problem whatsoever. If you've never used the Wansview app before and you don't have it, you're going to have to basically open up the owner's manual right there. It has a QR code on there. You're going to download the Wansview app, Android, Apple, either one. Put it on your phone or tablet. Either one will work just fine. And then what you're going to do is set it up just like any other app out there. Email, password, stuff like that. You're up and running in a couple of minutes. Then what you're going to do is put in your Wi-Fi network password and so forth so it can access that. And again, that's super easy. You'll be done in just a couple of seconds. Then what you do is power up the camera and you tell it in the app that you want to add the Q7. It'll send the QR code to your phone or tablet. All you do is point that towards the camera. It'll tell you camera paired and you're done. You're up and running. In a couple of seconds, it'll set itself up on the network, set itself up on your Wi-Fi, and you'll see a picture on your phone very, very quickly. To make it even better, the app and the camera both talk to you, telling you exactly what you're doing every single step of the way. Like I said, they're getting easier and easier as time goes by. Now, if you already have the Wansview app, if you're already using other Wansview cameras, like I have a couple of other cameras, I didn't even need to do any of that stuff. All you do is open up the app because you already have it, select the Q7 camera from the menu, and that's it. Again, point your phone towards the camera, it adds it on there, and you're done. Even quicker, even easier, because you already have the app already set up and ready to go. So it's that easy. So I already got this guy set up. Let's hook it up here in my shop, take a look around and see exactly how it looks. Alright guys, so here we are looking through the app, looking through the camera itself. So when you first turn on the camera, this is what you see. You select the camera that you want to look at if you have more than one, and you have the control panel with all the controls easily at your fingertips. You can choose whatever you want to do from here, but if you want to go to full screen mode, you tap that little square on the image at the right hand corner and you switch over to full screen mode. Then when you're in full screen mode, you have the one camera where you can see everything very clearly. Again, you have all the controls there, but if you tap on the image, all the controls go away if you don't need them and you want to see exactly what you're looking at in full screen. But if you want to, you bring back the controls and then you can select to move the camera around anywhere you want. Since it's a PTZ camera, you can move it from side to side, up and down, whatever it is. I'm going to scroll right now from side to side and show you what it looks like. Very easy to control. I'm on the other side of the house. I'm not even in this room. And you can see that I can control it from far away very easily, see everything that's going on. And you can move it again, like I said, from side to side, up and down, anything you want. You can see that it produces a very nice 2K image right there. Very easy to see, very clear, very sharp. Not bad at all, considering I have a terrible network and it's still getting a very nice image. But you can see you go up, you go back down, you can see anything in the room, and since it's a PTZ camera, it doesn't matter how big the room really is. You can scan the whole room quite easily. And then now let's turn off the lights and we can see exactly what it looks like when it goes to infrared mode. All the lights in the room have been turned off and you can see everything right now in black and white infrared mode, but it's still a nice clear 2K image. So very easy to see whatever it is that you want to see in day or nighttime image. 2K, very clear, anytime you want to look at it. So there you have it. Alright guys, there you have it, a review and demonstration of the Wansview Q7 indoor security camera. If you're looking for an inexpensive PTZ indoor security camera that'll work as a security camera, elder cam, pet cam, nanny cam, or baby cam, this camera is a really good choice. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to set up just about anywhere. Place it on a tabletop or ceiling mount. This camera is affordable, especially for a Prime member because you can get it cheaper than the normal price, and it uses the same app as all the other Wansview cameras. So if you already own a Wansview camera, then all you do is add this one into the app, you're already set up and ready to go. Super easy, barely an inconvenience. Check out their Amazon page for complete details. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.